back to my channel and another video. This week I'm going to kind of do something a little bit nail art related. I'm sure most of you know by now I am a brand ambassador for a company called Phoenix Glitter. Phoenix is owned by a lovely lady called Rach, and she started the business a few years ago. She's got all sorts of products on there now, glitters, pot foils, pigments. There's like tools that you can use, like dotting tools and brushes. She literally has loads. The glitters and pigments and everything are 100% cosmetic grade, which means that they are safe to use on nails and skin, so you'll have no problems with that. You know that you've got good quality products, which everyone wants to have. But one of the things that she has is, they're called bubbles. Now they are still a glitter. They come in like a collection. There's loads of different colours, and I fell in love with them as soon as I bought them. So I have the blue purple bubbles, and I am waiting for even more to arrive. Basically I want the whole set because they are fab. The set of nails on a live for the Facebook group. I will leave a link to that in the description box if you want to check it out. It just looked absolutely incredible, and I liked it that much that I wanted to do a video for you guys. So this week's video is all about using these bubbles, or the glitter, matte and on top of a gel polish, but throwing in some stamping over the top just to spice it up a little bit. And I think they look incredible. So without further ado, I'm gonna dive into the video. All links to Phoenix and the specific products I use today will be linked in the description box, and there is a discount code here which will just appear on the screen by magic for you to go and buy your own products if you want to. So yeah, I hope you enjoy, and we'll just dive right in. Here are the ones that I did on the live, and as you can see they are really pretty. Let me show you the bubbles. So like I said, I have the purple blue bubbles, and these are absolutely gorgeous. So if you can just see what they look like there. Absolutely stunning. And they look great over so many different colours, and they do look good shiny. However, I love them matte. I have a soft spot for them as matte. So I've prepped my tips with gel polish, and I'm going to go in with the crystal clear builder. Very thin, and I mean very thin layer onto the nails. Just like so. Just because this is what our bubbles are going to stick to. Okay. Next, what we're going to do, we're going to open up bubbles. So, oh no, damn it, I've already dropped some on there. So we're going to open up our bubbles, and we're just going to take a thin brush. So I'm just going to get this one, a little bit of build on it. We're going to pick up our bubbles from in the pot, and we're just going to tap them on. You really don't need to be that particular with where you place them, just so long as they are on there. Try and get them as flat as you possibly can. I like to just kind of do like a big amount in the centre. Scoot them out of the way. And then have them trail off slightly. Kind of like that. So just do them until you're happy. Then I'm going to pop that one in my lamp. this is what they're looking like so far. And as you can see, the bubbles look so different on each colour. What we're going to do is we're going to go back in with our builder gel and we're going to encapsulate these just so that they kind of all stay in and we have a nice even surface. So what I'm going to do is I like to take a fairly reasonable sized blob of my gel at the top, and then I will start to kind of float it down over the top. I'm going to pop that one into cure, and I'm going to quickly whiz through doing that exact same thing on the rest of these nails. Okay, so all of our tips have now had the builder on, and as you can see, most of them have a pretty even surface. Don't worry if it's not 100% perfect, because we are going to go over with our matte top coat, which will kind of add an extra layer and also give them that gorgeous matte look. So I'm just going to go in now and apply the matte top coat over all of these, and it really does. It just changes how they look straight away. Now I'm doing all of these in one go, just so it's easier. So, whilst they are in to cure, I'm going to give my stamping plate a bit of a clean. I just clean my stamping plate with like gel cleanser or acetone. Either one works. I clean my stamper with a bit of gel cleanser. I know people say you shouldn't, however I have had no problems. So just give it all a good, nice, good clean. Always make sure you've got like a paper towel or something down on your desk as well, just because when you are scraping, you don't want to have any of the bits pop through. As you can see, they have a completely different look matte. Like, I think they're absolutely gorgeous. So, I have my stamper and my scraper at the ready. And I like using a clear jelly stamper. I just think they work much nicer. You can actually see where you are placing things. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how I do two, and then I'm going to do the other two sped up, and then we'll come back at the end. Just a nice amount all over the design. Not loads, just enough. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to scrape down. Like so, just until it looks covered. I've actually got a really nice even amount on that one. Then I'm going to take my stamper, clean off any of the excess. See, doesn't that look nice? And we are just going to line it up through the barrel of the stamper. And lift off. Just like that. Look how pretty that is. So we're just going to pop that into the lamp just to cure for a couple of seconds. They don't take long at all. Clean your stamper off. Clean your your plate off. Could either leave it shiny, however I'm not going to, because I love the matte look. So we're just going to take the matte and pop it all over the nail. Now you can kind of see here what it would look like shiny. So whilst it is absolutely gorgeous, shiny, like those bubbles really do look amazing, I just prefer it matte. So we're going to pop him in for 30 seconds. I also want to show you how you can use foils to do this. So I'm going to go in with the Moira Black Damping Foil Gel, and we are going to go on our purple with this because we're going to use a gold foil, like so. Take your clean stamper or scraper, scrape over it. I can see a bit that isn't covered. So we're going to just go over it until you feel that it's all there. Okay. I'm going to cure that in the lamp. Okay, so that's cured. This is what it looks like. We're going to take our bit of foil, place it over the top, just like so, and rub the whole design. And you can go back over any bits. Oh, look at that. That's so pretty. So you can either leave it shiny like it is, or you can matte it, and I'm going to matte it. So we're just going to put a nice blob of matte all over the nail. You can really see just how they come to life. So we're going to pop them into cure. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. There you have it, guys. I really hope you liked this week's video. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section and I will do my very best to get back to you on those. As always, please like and subscribe. All links to the products can be found in the description box below as well. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.